YouTube. Out here on my way to CT, about to go see Marcos real quick. Going across the bridge, as you can see. A little bit of traffic. Like 45 minutes away. Today's supposed to be a tune day. I gotta go and help him load up. So, we'll see you guys in a second. What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Anyways, so this should be part 2. On the way down to Marcos' house right now. GPS is about 40 minutes. Gonna make that like 30 minutes. As long as all these slow cars move out of the way. So, I don't know, some people are aware about what happened last time. He went on the dyno, had some issues. Not sure what it was actually, you know. Come to find out, 2 of his injectors were clogged. You know, so that definitely, like, you know, robbed him of some type of performance. Because I think last time he only made like 265 or something like that. I'm not even too sure. I don't remember the numbers. But today's tune day. He got his whole exhaust fixed and everything else like that. Went down there to see him the other day, gave him some injectors. My boy, Carlos gave him some injectors. They were base injectors, but it was just to see if the car was going to run fine, or maybe if it was just the injectors, and it actually was. So he got them flow tested, the 1000cc ones that he has right now, and now it should be good. A little bit of traffic coming up. And basically the car was actually running good. His tuner sent him a map, the car was running fine. So hopefully today's going to be a success. Driving out to CT right now, got my little breakfast and stuff. Alright, so let's hear from the man himself right now. How you feel, Marcos?
Bro, this is gonna be
Give yourself more space.
Third session with this setup. The first 2 were complete failures. On the second time I blew the motor. So this is a fresh new motor. We found the culprit though. It was 2 bad injectors. So
that's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I'll be happy as long as the car is tunable and it gets tuned. I don't care how much power it makes.
There you go. Yeah. Let's see what happens. We're on our way to, where's that? Oh, we're gonna get a remote tune, right?
Yeah.
The old Dyno Cron?
Yeah, Mikey's gonna remote tune me out of Sin Garage with the other mic. So yeah, a whole bunch of mics.
Let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted. All right.
Look at the water dripping on the header. Man, mad water dripping in there, bro. Crazy. Oh, I got a little hole here. Oh, that's stuff.
Watch out. I want to see this wing.
That's crazy.
This is the 2021 wing right here. Not bad. You know what? It actually would work for time attack, maybe. Oh, they're representing these raceworks. Uh-oh. So we got the Dyno refrigerator.
fuel sensor might not be bad. The fueling is definitely way different. Just gonna unplug them, plug them back.
Happy like a little kid. Look. After they do a pull, he runs over there like, ooh, how much I made? How much I made? Look at him, he's happy. We thought it was an O2 sensor first, but we had a problem with the coolant. It was running a little bit lean. Guess the map might have got corrupted a little bit. But yeah, so far it looks like he's making 263 right now. So his headers are really holding him back right now. We're gonna figure this out. Or maybe he's gonna have to custom make some headers because he actually can do that since he's doing this whole TIG welding thing. But yeah. Back to the Street Factory garage. What?
Alright, bro.
That header being made, huh?
Yeah, now that shit's gonna happen ASAP.
That's the next step. Marcos, tell me, man. So,
Look, baby welds, bro.
looks good. Marcos, tell me how you feel, man. I need to know.
I'm happy.
How much you made exactly?
265.5. So After a whole bunch of trial and error, the car is running right. We found the culprit. The reason the car doesn't want to make power is because of the header that we have. So the collector goes straight into a 90 basically. So that's what's really holding us back. But 265 is okay for now. It has definitely another like 20 horsepower in it probably. But we're gonna track the car with this setup. The car drives good. Everything's good, bro. So
Yeah, man.
maybe next season we'll wintertime we'll build a nice 421 proper header going down that could clear the transfer case and we're good to go.
Nice. Okay, cool, man. Well, fucking definitely a pleasure being over here, man. This shit was fucking fun.
Yeah, that shit beast. Yo.
Okay, so these are the bets on the horsepower. 275, 280, 282. Yo, he put what was it? Hold on, 0.5.
Yeah.
That was me. I thought he was gonna make 293, 288.
That's funny.
And Marcus's mom won.
Yup. Yeah, give me my $5.
Give my money.
Yeah, she got a stash right there
There
already.
was a stack right there.
Bro.